We've all been there. Each and every one of us that uses an AMS knows the pain. You're in the middle of a print, you get a notification on your phone that the drive motor is overloaded. Oh no. Do I have a tangle? Do I have a clog? What could it possibly be? No, it's none of those things. It's your cardboard spool. See, the guys at Amazon dropped it, so it's got a little dent in it. And what happens is, as it's spinning around in the AMS, it's wobbling around. And unfortunately, for our AMS units, that's not good. That overdrives the motor. So I'm going to show you guys a really simple trick. It takes a couple minutes, but it's worth it. I'm going to show you how to prevent this from happening and how to get this little poo-poo cardboard spool swapped out for a nice plastic spool for free. All right, guys, pardon my makeshift tripod. I left my tripod at home. All right, so you can see this is a brand new spool. I'm going to leave the locked section here. All right. And this is a plastic Anycubic that came with another spool. You'll find a lot of these manufacturers are now including a reusable spool, okay? And this inner diameter matches the inner diameter once you get this off. I know you're looking at it now and you're going, wait, hold on, John. How is that going to work? I'm going to show you this. So, this is a two-step process, and it goes kind of like this. You're going to hold pressure, all right, and you're going to pull up on one side, all right, and you're going to take that hand and you're going to hold pressure, and you're going to continue to pull, okay? It's really important to not allow the filament to move right now. If you let it move, it will bind up, okay? So then you take your plastic spool, keep your hand on there, slip it inside the cardboard tube, push it all the way down, and keep pressure on that filament, okay? Then you're gonna flip it, and while I'm flipping it, I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna put it over here for now. Oh. Put it over here for now. And then I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to put pressure, I'm going to lift up, get that folded, keep pressure. Now remember, you got to pull some of that inner ring out with it. Now guys, if you're really careful with this, I've seen these come apart in one piece without having all this little stuff, but I've also never seen that little stuff be a problem. Okay? So, now, if you haven't, there you go. Plastic spool. So guys, again, let's try and reuse and recycle. Let's reduce some waste. Bamboo Labs, all the bamboo spools are plastic and reusable, guys. All you have to do is twist them apart. That's it. It's that simple. So you can get, and the refills come with the RFID chip, guys. The refills include that chip. So your AMS will be able to read this. Same thing again, Anycubic, Polymaker. If they have a plastic spool, guys, see if they come apart. If they come apart, let's reduce waste. Let's reuse. Let's recycle. Okay? Guys, I am Uncle Makeshift, John Parts, as we were known for a very long time. And I want to thank you for taking a couple minutes out of your day and watching me play with my 3D printers. If you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Ding that notification bell so you know when I'm making new content. I do content on Star Wars, 3D printing, hot rods, and life. So, if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. and may the force be with you.